Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to the Roomba and the mail to do Slicha. Bye. Lega. Bye.
Bye.
Shalom Aleichem. The Roomba was found. Bonjour là. Ici on est. Bonjour là. Ici on est going on. Go away, Emma.
Okay, Tom, let's go. Tom, Abby. He's making a video. Oh, are you sure?
When the Roomba is stuck, when the Roomba is stocking, next Roomba cleaning, turning off Roomba. Next, now let's clean it one more time. סליחה. Now we'll take it.
יש פה צילומים, רגע.
יש פה צילומים, אנדרי, חכה.
חכה רגע.
יש פה צילומים. Let's run, quickly.
Wait.
Now wait. The room must clean around. Next, now we'll take a Roomba to dark.
Yeah.
Now take a Roomba to off. Now we'll take a Roomba to home base. Bye.
ביי. אין סנטימנטים.
לא, אין סנטימנטים, ואין איזה שיחת ביניים כזאת. יופי שבאתם.
איפה לצלצל?
יאללה, ביי.
איפה לצלצל?
לא צריך לצלצל. אנחנו לא נכנסים.
אני צריכה...
אתה רוצה פעם אחת? אוקיי, פעם אחת.
ביי.
ביי. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, good. Bye.
Now set up to I want to open it. Here we go. Now
hold it for you.
all right. Here at the ground. It's time to go home.
It's time to go. How was it? Wait. Sit.
Okay, can I take up his phone?
One moment. Let's put this down and this next to it. Let me help you. Can you lift it? See? Buckle up.
There we go. Emma, I'll buy you new yoga ball on my birthday. I'll buy you new yoga ball on my birthday. Emma, tomorrow we're going to Ilan.
Next we go to Ilan.
With Alexa.
Tom, do you have your stuff?
Yes, I do.
That's good.
I'll buy a new yoga ball on my birthday. Abba, Wiki, I'll buy a new yoga ball on my birthday.
Yes. Good. buy a new yoga ball on your birthday.
And Amazon Alexa.
And
Tom,
Amazon Alexa.
And
Tom-
Google Home.
Why?
Tom, you are buckled up?
Yes, and
And
Google
Are
Home.
you buckled up?
Yep, of course.
And Google
Okay,
Home.
so now we're waiting only for him.
And Google Home.
Wait,
But
wait, I have an idea.
What?
we can
My old,
and buy in
my-
Google Home.
my,
You have Google.
Yeah, you
My Google Home is winded.
let me talk.
Yeah, Tom,
Let me.
let baby talk.
Okay, so we could use my old seat as Masha's seat.
But Masha has a special seat.
Yeah, but
Otherwise, if we'll put your old feet, it'll be too crowded,
Yeah, too tight.
No.
too tight.
no, it's just that
Because
Masha's getting a little bit tightish on her
But
shoulders. We
still okay for
need
her,
to
Mama.
do it. We need
Ima,
to
I want
do
to connect
it.
to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
There's no
I
other
think I'm
way.
open.
There's no other way to do it, Dada. That's all we could do.
Okay, baby. Okay.
בכיכר, בצע פניית פרסה.
It's for Ima.
So that's a problem.
Hmm?
Okay.
Wait, you have no connection. Oh, it's because I'm still connected to the house.
But connect to
To Abba.
me.
Abba's phone now is the one